I welcome you for this video. Myself Dr. D. Sadish Kumar, Associate Professor, Department of CSE, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. In this video, I'm going to explain about interfaces in Java. So this is the agenda for this presentation. Interface declaration, the difference between class and interface, and implementation of interface in Java. Interface declaration. Interface is simply a blueprint of a class. It is similar to the class. Interface has only the constant values, also with abstract methods, the methods that do not have any definition, and also the variables declared in the interface are only the constant values. It cannot be changed. And the main purpose of interface is to achieve the abstraction, also to achieve multiple inheritance in Java, because Java does not support multiple inheritance directly. With the help of interface only we can achieve the multiple inheritance. And here it is declared with the keyword interface. Interface is a keyword that is used to declare the interface in Java. So this is the simple declaration for interface. Interface, it's a keyword followed by the interface name. Interface name is the valid identifier, and inside it you can declare the constant variables as well as the abstract methods. Only the declaration to be take place in the interface. There is no definition is presented in interface. So this is a simple example for interface. We have the interface with the name shape. Inside the interface we declared the variable r with the value 10, which means it's a constant value, it cannot be changed. Similarly, we have the two methods. One is the circle of the return type void. Another one is the square method, which is also having the return type void. Void indicates that it does not return any values. So what's the difference between class and interface? So generally a class can extend another class. Similarly, the interface also can able to inherit the properties of another interface. One interface can extend the another interface. In that purpose, it simply uses the extends keyword, and only access specifier used in interface is public, which means all the members declared in the interface are visible to everyone. Anyone can access the methods and variables in the interface. The reason for declaring it as public is those are to be redefined in the another class. So this is class extending the another class. So class student, we can declare the methods of the class student. Here we declare another class called course. This course class extends the student class. Already we declared the student class. So now the course class is going to inherit the properties of student class. What are all the methods declared in student class that will be available to this derived class, that is a subclass. So this is a simple example. We can have the interface name max, and we derive another interface arithmetic which extends the super interface called max. So max is the super interface which is already declared. Arithmetic is the interface which is going to extend, that is the inherit the properties of interface. So a class can implement interface, which means the class can able to extend the concepts of class can implement the interface with the help of the keyword implements. So generally the interface do not have the constructors. So implementing interface, how the interface can be implemented? The interface can be implemented with the help of keyword implements. The implements is the keyword. This keyword is used to implement the interface, and this is done by any class. Already defined class can able to implement the already defined interface. So this is the simple example of interface. We declare the interface test, and we have the variable, constant variable r, which is assigned to the value 10. Also we have the method called display of type void. So implementing interfaces, we have the class called test underscore interface. So this class can able to implement the already declared interface named test. So what are the variables declared in the test interface means? It's a void display method. So now we're going to redefine this method in this class test underscore interface. You can see here void display is a method which is of type public. Public indicates the access specifier. Anyone can access this particular method. Inside the method body we can give it as simple print statement system.out.println interface method implemented. So now the interface can be implemented by the class. So for that program, the main method can be declared like this: public void static main, or you can exchange these two keywords, public static void main. Both can be used in any way. Public static void main, string class and string object. Then we just create the object for this class. Test underscore interface is a class name. For this class we just create an object. Object name is t, and new is used to allocate the memory. Then this is for constructor purpose. So this is the general way to create an object in Java. Then using the object you just invoke the method of the particular class. So t is the object, dot operator, call the display function or display method. So this will display the main method. Interface can be implemented. Similarly, we have one more variable declared in the interface. That variable is r. You just print that variable using println statement, r equal to plus r. Plus is used for concatenation. So what is the output for this program? It simply displays interface method implemented, that is for void display method, on r value. R value we already declared as 10. So the same 10 is displayed here because r is a constant. Interface has only the constants. So in the conclusion, we just inform you that the interface is very important concept in Java. It is used to implement multiple inheritance in Java. So one class can be derived from another class, that is the inheritance concept. So interface is implemented by a class. That's a simple method of the interfaces. So thank you.